Over the centuries, the rich blues and purples of Provence have lured masters like Picasso and Van Gogh. But this summer, the sun has sapped all colour from the landscape. Fields of lavender are brown and baking. Further north, one of Europe's food bowls resembles a dust bowl. The Loire Valley is known as the Garden of France, but weeks of bone-dry weather have badly stunted crops.
I've never seen something like this in my 22 years here. If it doesn't rain within 2 months, it'll be a disaster.
The French government says this is the worst drought in the country's history. Rivers are running dry and more than 100 municipalities have no drinking water on tap. To add to the misery, France is now experiencing its 4th heatwave this year. And it's spreading north to England and Wales, fueling grass fires like this one that licked the outskirts of London. For most of southern England, July was the driest month since records began in 1836. The situation is so dire, some communities have been told to expect water restrictions.
Our major concern here is that we will experience a hosepipe ban.
Across Europe, this is one of the worst droughts in decades. 47% of EU territory is under a drought warning. 17% is under a red alert, the highest warning level. Experts say it's a climate change-induced crisis that's likely to get worse.
If no effective mitigation measures will be taken, that this intensity and frequency will increase dramatically over Europe, both in the north and in the south.
The intensity of the problem is already plain to see in Siberia. Wildfires have been burning out of control in Russia's coldest region since May, generating a huge smog cloud which extends for hundreds of kilometres. Further proof, scientists say, that our planet is not weathering the storm.